Robert F. Kennedy Jr. could be on short list for HHS secretary, Trump allies say. Robert F. Kennedy Jr. is now on a short list being floated by some Trump allies to serve as the next head of the Department of Health and Human Services, multiple people close to the president-elect's campaign say. Hopes among Kennedy's backers that he could be nominated to lead the department have risen in recent days, after Republicans cemented their majority in the Senate. Kennedy's odds of clearing a Senate led by Democrats would have been low, given his long record of what the party called anti-science fringe public health stances that outraged Trump's opponents and a broad array of health experts during the campaign. That includes a comment that there's no vaccine that is safe and effective, and his chairmanship of the group Children's Health Defense, which has claimed that the parallel between rising disease rates and the increasing number of childhood vaccines is hard to ignore. Doctors argue statements like these mislead about the safety of immunizations and threaten to erode hard-fought improvements in U.S. vaccination rates against preventable diseases. Kennedy himself has been non-committal when asked publicly about the possibility he could be picked to head the sprawling HHS umbrella of agencies, which includes the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, National Institutes of Health, Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, and the Food and Drug Administration. Ahead of the election, Kennedy told Fox News he was confident that if I wanted to do HHS secretary, the president would fight like hell to make that happen, but also said that he was unsure if that would be the most effective role for him. In a CNN interview last month, Trump transition co-chair Howard Lutnick was asked whether Kennedy would be in charge of HHS. "Of course not," he replied. But two people close to the campaign say the election results have played a big role in changing the thinking on whether Kennedy could clear a steep and often painful Senate confirmation process that can bog down nominees. Kennedy's supporters argue that the election offers a mandate not just for Trump's platform overall, but for Kennedy and his Make America Healthy Again proposals to combat chronic disease, citing the votes Kennedy may have delivered in Trump's favor. As one example, podcast host Joe Rogan initially voiced support for Kennedy and his ideas before later endorsing Trump. "We have not yet decided exactly what that strategy is going to be, but that is a possibility," Kennedy told NPR in an interview after the election, asked if he would be named to a Senate-confirmed position.